Yo, what up, Caesar? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, dude? My weekend was good. My weekend was good, bro. All right, let's see here, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. The indicator is going off, dude. Give me just a sec. Yo, yo. All right, let's see here. So we had a big gap last night, dude. Big gap, and we are working our way down. About to feel the gap. Completely feel it. We got close up there to the previous day high. But I've got the indicator good now, man. There's only two modes. You can have normal mode or a fixed 2R mode. So pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Let's see. Normal mode is 31 and 13. Fixed 2R is 24 and 12. So there you go. Normal mode, fixed 2R, and then there's only one thing that you can kind of change. That is the max stop ATR. This just kind of makes it be where you can have your stop loss a little smaller if you want, so it goes for smaller trades. That's 17 and 7. So, but I like it just on the normal mode pretty much. Oh, also I added a bias thing and a minimum grade. So if you only wanted to take A setups, you could do that. It's 14 and 5 if you took A or A plus setups. But pretty sweet, man. Pretty sweet. Did anybody do anything fun this weekend, man? I did not go see the new Spider-Man. Did not. But we did play Mafia last night. If anybody knows what Mafia is. Let's see where the gap fill is. We'll say gap fill. Right there. Gap fill is right down there. Yes, sir, Spider Monkey. We got them all rolling. We've got them all rolling. This one was rated an A+, dude. It's got it all. Slade sauce, liquidity sweep, PD array delivery from a 15-minute displacement. Only thing it's missing is clear targets, but you could argue the gap fill could be clear targets. Yo, what up, TJP? Jonathan, what did you do the update? We did an update yesterday. There's an update. These are the new settings here. If it has a little purple thing next to it, click it and you'll be able to get the update. Simplified the indicator a lot based on the, pretty much the two best settings. So you can either have normal mode or fixed 2R mode. If you just want to go for a fixed 2R, you can have it on 2R mode, or you can have it on normal mode. And then the only thing you can kind of change is the max stop, because sometimes it'll be in trades way too long and the stop loss will be too big, so you can turn that on. And this goes for kind of like smaller setups. Goes for smaller setups. So if we turn that on and we turn on A, let's see what the stats are. 100%. So with the max stop ATR2 and the minimum grade A, it's got 100% win rate. But it just doesn't take as many. Do you look for gap fill on the 1 minute? Yeah, I'm in. So I just put the gap fill on the 1 minute. You see how this, on Friday, the candle closed right there. I just put it at the close of the candle. And that's the gap fill. Makes sense to me, right? So that's where I put it. Anyone ever randomly woke up down 750 and didn't take a trade? You might have left an order open if that's the case. Guys, what prop firms are you trading with right now? What prop firms? Because if you haven't checked out Hypertix, man, I would check them out, dude. Really easy to get the payouts, and code Slade will give you a super good discount on Hypertix. They just came out with a bunch of updates over here, so make sure you go check them out. They even have a flex account right now. So, the very popular flex accounts, they came out with it. They've got multiple instant funded accounts. Check out Hypertix. Use code Slade over there. Go check them out, man. They got some good stuff coming. I've gotten multiple payouts. Can you use TradingView? So, yeah, they have a built-in TradingView to the platform. It's pretty sweet. That's what I was trading on when I trade with Hypertix. So they've got TradingView built in. pretty big trade here. The indicator's in a pretty big trade. It's hit TP1 and it's only got another full TP right before the gap fill down here. Let's see if it's gonna hit. It says TP1 hit and has a runner going. It's an A+ setup. Got Slade Sauce, liquidity sweep, and delivering from a 15-minute PD array. Any trades taken today? Not on my funded. I trade my funded accounts in New York session, so not yet. But the indicator's taken quite a few trades on these settings. You know, you can refine it down if you only wanted to take the best settings. But you can see if you put it on minimum grade C, it's taken about 44, 46, 45, something like that. 44 trades. If you put it on minimum grade A, it's taken about 19 trades. So you can, you know, refine it down. But if you just have it on the loosest settings, it's got a 70% win rate, 70.5, 31.13. Jonathan, it might just be because of the way the data recalculated when you updated. It might not have calculated it right. So A+, let's check out the A+ here. A+ only. It's 2-0. The A+ only is 2-0. So it says there's been 2 A+ trades and it's 2-0. Yo, what up, Chris? Yo, who's Chris? Chris knows my last name. You bottom take the buys at the bottom. Are you cooked? I mean, nah, it looks pretty good, honestly. Looks good. We'll see, man. Hopefully you're taking some profits here, because to me, like, anytime you get in one of these little gaps here, this kind of looks like a place that it could reverse back down. You see, you got above these highs inside of a little bearish gap over here. You could see a move. If it's going to continue lower, this would kind of be the place. So we'll see if it's going to get through this and keep moving higher, or if it's going to reverse and go back to the downside from here. Bottom take the longs. Nice. What makes your IFBG strategy different from the others? I mean, a lot of people trade it wrong. First of all, trade it wrong. Do the check. If you just go back and back test the checklist that most people say, dude, you can see it's not as good as you think. Like this, the way I've back tested, a lot of the stuff that they teach makes the IFEGs worse. Like, a lot of people try to trade reversal inversions, which is, it's the hardest ones to catch. You need to be trading the continuation inversions. Like, you see how this is coming down here, right? So you want to be looking for a clear trend, and then the inversions you want to trade are when you get a liquidity sweep the opposite way of the trend. So if you sweep the highs, then the best setups are going to be inversions continuing the trend. So you see here, we had a clear trend to the downside, clear trend coming down. You get this fake move up and then an inversion to the downside. So this is continuing the trend. These are going to be your best setups. The reversals are the hardest ones. They're going to be the lowest win rates. If you try to catch the bottom, like say you took an inversion from down here, it'll work sometimes, but a lot of the times you'll get stopped out. So the continuation inversions are going to be the best types. This is the IFEG Pro Plus indicator. You can get it from the link in my bio. You can get 3 days free, man. 3 days free with the indicator. See what happens when you put max stop. You can change this max stop. It'll have some smaller stop losses. It'll only take trades where the stop loss isn't too far away. But that's pretty much the only thing you can really change, other than a few modes and stuff. It's pretty simple stuff. All right, let's see if this runner is going to get stopped out at break even, or if it's going to drop down here to the full TP. Let's see, man. What do you think? You think the runner is going to get stopped at break even, or is it going to continue to run down here full TP? If we can invert this gap it has marked out, I think there's a pretty good shot. If we can invert this bullish gap right here, man, we can drop. We need to invert this bullish gap to the downside, and then boom, we're coming down. But let's see here. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. All right, we're inside of a 15-minute bearish gap right now. So if we can respect this 15-minute bearish gap, it should continue to roll over here. 15-minute bearish gap should just, if it respects this, should continue to roll over to the downside, right? 15-minute bearish. And then we got that gap fill. See if it's going to go for the gap fill down here. See if it's going to go for the gap fill. Let's check out the hourly time frame. This is NQ. This is MNQ, so the micro version of NASDAQ. MNQ. Yeah, this is the indicator right here. This is the indicator. Simplified it down to only 2 modes now. So you got normal mode or you've got fixed 2R mode. So if you just want to go for a fixed 2R, it'll be right there. Normal mode, it's based off of swings. So it goes for the swings. Indicator 100% on ES. Let's check out ES. %80 on ES. %80 on ES. You can also do the minimum grade. So you put it on an A. Let's see what it is. 82% if you just put it on minimum grade A on ES. Let's see, man. This runner hasn't gotten stopped back at break even yet. Hit TP1 and then you had a break. You had a runner. So let's see if the runner is gonna get stopped here. You can get the indicator from that link in my bio. No, I didn't catch it. Gold dropping. Didn't catch that one. Oh, here we go, man. This is getting ready to drop. Drop it down here to the gap fill. Can we feel the gap here this morning? Yeah, this is the 1 minute chart. Earlson said you trade FEG, break a structure, liquidity. Yeah, I just look at fair value gaps and the draw on liquidity. So on the 15-minute, we're inside of a bearish 15-minute gap right now. So you should expect this to respect this bearish gap and continue lower to the downside, right? If you're just, basically these fair value gaps act as support and resistance. So this is a bearish gap. It should act as a resistance and continue to drive price lower. But we'll see here. We will see. The indicator's in a short right now. In a short. It's going for down here, pretty much going for the gap fill. So if we get the gap fill, the indicator will get this full win here. Here we go, dropping. About to get another inverse here on the lower time frames. Let's see if we can inverse this gap here to the downside. If we can inverse that gap, we should be looking good to drop. Let's go, Erlun. Let's go, bro. Bro, do TopOne Futures pay? Yes, sir. Diddy candle up. That's what it was. If you're looking for a new prop firm, though, dude, check out Hypertix, man. They got some good accounts. They've been around a minute. I've been getting constantly paid from Hypertix. They got some good account types also. The Instant Pro Plus accounts over at Hypertix are pretty much a cheat code, to be honest with you. The Instant Pro Plus. Let's see, man. About to get this runner's about to get stopped at break even. Yeah, I got a code. It's code Slade over at Hypertix. It'll get you the best discounts. But this is Hypertix right here. This is pretty much the firm that's been like my steady pay. Just constantly getting paid over here from Hypertix. They've also got a flex account. So if you've heard about the flex accounts, they've got those now. But my favorite's the Instant Pro Plus over at Hypertix. You can trade futures or Forex. So either one, man. Bro, are they legit? I mean, I have been getting constantly paid. I've received over 50,000 from Hypertix alone this year. Can you explain your indicator? Yeah, I mean, it trades inversion fair value gaps. So I've got it to trade them the way I like to trade inversions. And this checklist, it basically trades it the way I'd like to trade the inversion. So I really like to trade the continuation inversions. So you can see, you know, sometimes I'll try to catch the tops and bottoms, but it's so hard to, you know, catch the tops on these inversions. So like these are reversal inversions up here. I like to trade kind of these continuation inversions. So you can see we're already in a clear downtrend. I've got the indicator pretty much set up where it likes to trade these continuations. So we're already in this downtrend. You get a little liquidity sweep here, and then boom, you get this inversion right here to continue the move that it's already going, right? So you're playing with the trend. You're just waiting on one of those internal liquidity sweeps, but continuing to play the trend. Yeah, it's got a checklist with it. You can do the hover checklist, or you can have the checklist set up to always show. So if I turn the checklist on always show, it'll show right down here in the bottom right. So you can have this checklist always show down here if you want. But when I'm on, I just use that for mobile. When I'm on the computer, I just hover over it. Right now, this one's graded an A+. These check marks are weighted based on. So this checklist is weighted. It's based on which ones actually perform the best. So the three that are actually going to add the most value to the trade are Slade Sauce, Liquidity Sweep, and the PD Array Delivery. Those are what really makes the trade a whole lot better. Displacement and clear targets, they're just good to see, but they do not add as much value as people think. As much win, like they don't add as much extra value percentage win rate. So it's hovering, dude. It's about to get stopped here. The runner's about to get stopped. How to access your indicator. You can get 3-day free trial on the indicator right now. You can get it from, you know, that link in my bio or, you know, the description of the video. Somewhere around there you can find it. But if you're not in the free Discord, man, join the free Discord. We're always talking about the indicator setup, stuff like that. So check it out, man. We do some giveaways in the Discord sometimes. Join up in the free Discord. Speaking of that, dude, who wants to do a giveaway today, man? We might do a giveaway today. Huh? Who wants it? I need to see some likes though. I need to see some likes. I need to see some people talking in here, man. If we want a giveaway, I need to see some people talking it up in here. Is the indicator only available for subscription only? Yes, a subscription. You get 3 days free though, so you can try it out. You can try it out for 3 days. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. Let's see, man, dude. This is getting real choppy here. It's making me think it's gonna pop up here one more time. We will see. What's the biggest mistake you can try to avoid being a newbie? I mean, being a newbie is just a part of it. You know, there's nothing really you can do. The thing is, you just gotta come to the charts every day, man. You gotta put in the screen time. I know it's not what you want to hear, but man, you know, just try to absorb as much information as you can. Being a newbie, it's just a part of it. Trader 007, what's up, brother? What's going on, man? What up? What up? Oh yeah, everyone have a great day, man. New week, new opportunities. It's a new month, dude. A new trading month. Who's gonna kill it in August? That's it, Erlen. Who's gonna have a green August, man? Looks like it wants to dump. I hope it wants to dump. The thing is, when it's staying around here so much, it makes me think that it's gonna at least pop up one more time. So we'll see here. If it pops up one more time above these highs, this will have TP1 and then a break even on the runner. Usually this has 3 targets, but in this case, on this trade, it only had 2 targets, had TP1 and full TP. Sometimes you'll see this have 3 targets. But we will see if it dumps off here. Let's look at the 15-minute. The 15-minute was inside of this bearish gap. So the 15-minute is still trying to hold this bearish gap right here on the 15-minute time frame. If it can hold this bearish gap, it should roll over here. So we'll see. We'll see if that 15-minute candle can hold the bearish gap and roll off and fall off a cliff here. All right, we're getting ready to host a giveaway though, man. Who wants it? Who wants a giveaway? Who wants a giveaway, dude? If you're a channel member, you're gonna get a bonus for the giveaway here. But here we go, man. Giveaway rolling right here. You got to type !Slade, !Slade to enter the giveaway. Make sure you smash the like button. Smash the like button. Use code !Slade. Let's see if it's working. Hang on here. I might have to give me just a second. All right, there we go. Now retype it if you haven't. I had to untick this. There we go. There we go. You can see the platforms it's working on. So it only works on 2 platforms here, this one and this one. So if you're not on those, we're streaming on multiple platforms right now. So to enter the giveaway, the way it works is you have to type it on one of these. It doesn't read the other one. So either type it on this platform or this one to enter the giveaway. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We'll do a duck race. We just got to get the entry names in. But we'll do a duck race here. !Slade will get you in there. Original, I didn't know, man. I didn't know. I thought this place did them all, but apparently it doesn't. They're strict over there on that platform you're on. They're strict. Yo, appreciate the follows. !Slade. Check out Hypertix, man. Running a big sale with code Slade right now. Hypertix. I like the Instant Pro Plus accounts over there. This is the prop firm I've been liking to trade with here. Hypertix. They've got flex accounts. You can trade futures, forex. You pretty much got it all over here. Flex, Instant Pro Plus accounts. I'm telling you, man, they're going to be one of the biggest here soon. Hypertix on the come up. What's the name of your Discord? You can find that in the link in my bio. All right, here we go, man. Is this thing about to get stopped at break even? Let's see how many people we got in there. We got 30 people in the giveaway right now. !Slade will get you in there. Make sure you smash in the like button, dude. Smash the like button, hit the follow button. Here we go. All the members here, channel members, are going to get a bonus, so they get extra entries if you're a channel member. 31 people in there right now. All right, here we go. Look at that. TP1 break even stop. It ran down. It couldn't run down enough though. It's only accepting them from 2 platforms right now. This red platform and the green one, you can see. So if you type !Slade on one of those, then you'll be entered in the giveaway. You know. Let's see here. All right, so now the indicator is going to start looking for new setups, right? So this setup got stopped at break even. The indicator is going to start looking for a new setup. Let's see. $36 people in there right now. 36 people in the giveaway. We got Hero Crypto, Viral Monkeys, Bale, Wing Rider. We got them all. Everybody's in the giveaway. There's my man Caesar. Caesar's in there. Kathleen's in there. Wizard, come on. We got them all in the giveaway. Rob Wood, oh, there's the man. Rob Wood in there. TJP, Josh Allen, poor guy. He ain't gonna be poor after this giveaway. Crash and Burn, there he is. Steve's in there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Indicator is trash. I mean, I don't know. 71% win rate. Just for not even thinking, it's pretty good, man. I would take 71% if I didn't have to think, you know. I think it's pretty good. Both of the modes are profitable also. Normal and fixed 2RR. Both of them are profitable here. You can see. Bing bong. So I've narrowed it down to the two most profitable settings. I mean, this trade here, it went 80 points in profit. I think that's pretty good, man. 80 points. Sounds pretty good. What's the best hyperlinks plan? The easiest one to get the payout is the Instant Pro Plus account, but I would recommend either the Instant Pro Plus or the Flex account on Hypertix. So Instant Pro Plus or Flex, those are kind of my favorite ones over there. So you can see here, you got the Instant Pro Plus. This is going to be the easiest one to get the payout. And then you got the Flex right here. But if you want some cheap accounts, the Beginner and Hyper, these are good accounts here. But these two are my favorite. Instant Pro Plus and the Flex. I've gotten a bunch of payouts from the Instant Pro Plus account here. All right, here we go. We're going to get ready to roll the giveaway in a minute. We got 41 people in there. There's Nathan. He's in there. Tim Chang's in there. We're getting ready. Make sure you smash the like button. Type !Slade to enter the giveaway. !Slade will get you in there. We're waiting on this indicator to show another setup. It showed one and went 80 points in profit, man. 80 points in profit here. We're going to wait on it to show another one. I think we will see. We will see if it can fill the gap. It's either going to fill the gap or it's going to go up to previous day high up there. We'll see. Oh, we might be getting a setup here. If it inverses here to the downside, it'll probably print another short setup. See, you can see it's got this gap marked out. This is the gap it's currently looking at. So if we inverse this gap, it's going to call out a short setup to the downside. It's got that gap marked out. This would be that continuation short setup. You just swept these highs over here. You're in a downtrend. If we get this set up, it's going to call a short to continue down. There it is. All right, the indicator's got on a short setup right here. Let's see if it can bang out a win. It's only graded a C though. This is only a C grade. See if we can catch this win on the indicator. You can see that it targets these liquidity levels though. Boom, boom. So this is a smaller trade than the last one, right? Because it has these clear targets down here, these levels. I got it set to a TP1. It moves to break even. So if we can get down here to this TP1, it'll move it to break even. Hopefully get a run through it. Let's see, man. There we go. Indicator TP1. TP1. There we go. Can we get a run? Can we get a run down here, man? Can we get the run down? We want full TP on this one. TP1's hit. It's at break even. How many points? That was 12 points right there. 11 and a half. We want the full thing though. 11 and a half points. Can we get some more? Come on. Run the giveaway. I mean, poor guy, you can continue to stay poor if you want. You know, you can leave. You don't have to be in the giveaway. I can remove you. It's not a problem. Let's see. Let's go find this guy. Poor guy. I'll just get you right on out of there since you don't want to be in it. There you go. No problem. No problem. He's gone. Oh, all right. Come on. Let's get this runner. After this trade either hits TP or break even, we'll run the giveaway. After this trade hits TP or break even, we're going to run the giveaway. Type !Slade to get in the giveaway if you're not in there. Channel members get 5 times luck to win. So they basically get 5 entries. We got 52 people in the giveaway right now. We got a trade running. It went up like 20 points right there. $18.5 points is what it gave so far. Can it keep going? Can it keep going? Can it keep going here? Who said this indicator is no good, dude? I've literally built. If you're a newbie, first thing I would do is get this indicator, to be honest with you, because that just gave 27 points, dude. That's a 1-to-1 right there. You got a 1-to-1 on this setup. 1-to-1. It's about to hit the break even. Then we'll run the giveaway. Oh, is it going to hit it? Is it going to hit it? There it is. Boom. TP1 break even stop. All right, let's host it. Let's run the giveaway here, man. Who's ready? Did everybody hit the like button? We got 58 people in here. We're about to run a giveaway. Yeah, I like the indicator on the 1 minute time frame. But I'll explain some more after we run this giveaway. We'll go over the indicator a little bit more. Here we go, man. Here we go. Let's run it. Let's run it. Yo, I appreciate all the follows and subs. Appreciate it. let me copy all these names, and then we'll go over here to the duck race. Let me get a duck race set up, man. We'll get a duck race set up. All right, here we go. Here we go. I got all the names. I'm putting them in the duck race right now. Here we go, man. We're going to put 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. Let me put my own name in there, man. I need to put my name. And there we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Duck race. Turn down the volume here. Boom. All right, here we go. Here we go, man. Look at all those names in there. We got a lot of them. A lot of names. Who's going to win it? Rita and Light Skin Lee's out there in the front right now. 4XO's coming up. TJP, I see him over there with his hat on sneaking up. Oh snap. Oh snap. I'm over there with the pirate hat in the very back, dude. One, if you type 1, it'll give your duck a speed boost, man. I forgot about that, man. I mean, I need to be typing these ones in the chat. 1 will give that duck a speed boost. 1 will give that duck a speed boost. Oh snap. Here we go. Here we go. Coming up. Coming up. Mark is gonna win it today, man. Mark. Let's go. Mark wins it, man. So Mark, this is what I'm gonna need you to do, Mark. Mark has won it. I'm gonna come post it over here in the Discord. So come right over here. Come right over here in the free Discord. I'm going to post this. So just reply to this and then I can get that account over to you in the Discord, my man. Mark. Mark's the winner here. So just reply to this message in the Discord and then I'll get that account over to you, brother. Congrats, dude. There he is. Mark. I see you, Mark. Reply to this message here in the free trading chat in Discord so I can get this account over to you. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done. Mark getting a free account. Check out Hypertix, by the way, man. Everybody check out Hypertix. Code Slade will get you the best discounts over here. Hypertix, all you need for trading over there at Hypertix. Yes, sir, Mark, of course. Hey bro, what do I do before a New York session? What do you mean? What do you mean? If you want the indicator, you can get 3 days for free on the indicator also. The free trial won't be around forever. It's just new. So the indicator, the free trial is going to be leaving soon. So if you want to try it out for 3 days, you better take advantage of the free trial. I think this thing's going to continue to drop here. This looks like a good setup to fall. We swept these internal lows over here, these internal highs, swept out the highs, and now it looks like we can continue on down here, maybe to fill the gap. Will the indicator ever be a little more cost friendly? I mean, I don't know, man. It takes a lot, you know, takes a lot. And it's literally a, you know, a winner on its own. There's no thinking about it. You could take every single setup and be profitable. So like, you know, it's not easy to find, right? You're not going to find an indicator that shows the stats, because most of the indicators that call setups are not profitable. So just think about that, man. Think about that. You're not going to find indicators that show the stat boards because they're not profitable alone. But all right, dudes, I'm about to get out of here, man. I'm about to get out of here, get ready to trade the New York session. If you want to trade the New York session live with me, that's when I trade my funded accounts. You can trade live with me for free for 7 days. You know, just if you want to do that, I trade the New York session with a Discord. But if not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're live on here every single morning at 8 o'clock Eastern time. So if I don't see you for the New York session, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Join the Discord, check out Hyperticks, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.